been a long time coming.
Joe, Cobra Beats.
Westwood.
Curtis Kills. Drop the beat.
We did it before. We here again. 10 years down the lane. Trust me. Type as I want it. Hold up. Just post that beef for a second. Any rapper I did work with them make a fool, I'm a legend. Wicked, creepy, sneaky like a serpent. Time man, I'm married and banning out a one legged. Here I was 1 or 2 lines, I jump for mental. My ido manga, I will ear balls. Balls, power, law, sexy meta who a rapper, Guma back, beat is salty. Careful the drums you hit and I made it. Korean rapper guys and Keba Philly City. Claiming rap can't set a bank account rate it. I'm on the mic with hand man rap and I don't fake it. They don't do this on the regular jump on track for the peppers. But yeah, and manya papa na matel the ram do rock up on the eyes to day. My face I circle no peppers. No what the mic banja scattered. Feeling like an Eminem. I need a pen and a mic to bury them. No pickaxe, no shovel, but I'm digging 6 feet down. All of my real homies can jump them.
But who to one and the parade? I so like to promote it. Upper West music. Your boys and a yellow in beating a key confused. Goddamn. Big ups to Echo Sounds Multimedia. Yena pili Upper West music, no be today. Mpo like a Upper West artist hit worldwide. I did Grammy Awards. Chano be, ye no be demini. Yeah, linka to Kumbanga, jale. Chadomana namene to wenka to prove it wrong. Yakara was silly. Koyalaka talent, Upper West, on quality. Chabon done it to Jogo. Yabaha Jogo Niki Chaka the bully back. Buna sanga wodi filenda para. The envy, the bragging is killing us. Kamala boss, Mala Jack is failing us. To make it to my pampana, Katajabu Kamawa hit it, Bankina hit it. I'm speaking the words of wisdom. I was gifted, nobody say I know much. You looking at my face like a small boy. Charlie, my brain is bigger than the ocean. I be small boy with a bigger god. It don't understand my key number, look sharp. I'm spitting the bars with senses. Bring your book along for more lessons. I'm teaching the boys like a ABC. If there's no one listening, I get the remedy. Battle what to buy and this be the genesis. Tinapin and shut up and in the parade. We be the military.
That gotta win when you stepping at the yard, they for tell her. The Moata Bank, the Papuan, they forget. From a bike, what I can't, who the hell you the follow? No time for the jokes in the punch, yellow. That gotta be a wallaba. Daughter from the left, what I don't pay, that's not a pele. We got everything that they got, but we never wanna black. Bella, what you're at, daughter, chele. Upper West to the world, yeah, we up to something. But me bark at the bound, but they can't define it. Kill it with the kill, then that gotta be grinded. Yellow, we be peace, so we never defy them.
Cobra, give me the mic, then you put on the beat. I wanna drop some 2 lines. Killer on the beat when I step on. Ya jabba ya bella mama queer vibes. Woo! The other rappers be students. You want the test, check out queer time. This is a promise. Upper West, na day best papa 2 times. I carry me at the chapiera. While you want to like a walla basuna baga. Iheka kineno the dawe and then a pillow double send a check out what's here. Me, I was sent from above. You know what I'm capable when it comes to rap. Back care. Setting the path for the young ones, so we never gonna stop. Yeah, taking you back to back, it's all about rap. Kill like sack, niggas, I be you back. Kinawa hammer, don't pretend to laugh. Come up force, you can't get a rapper like Sap. Yeah, back in the days, in the man rap, now we get the key. Rapping on top of rap is gonna be hard, but trust me, we never gonna stop. Yeah, tell all the niggas to be shit for that cause. Pulling me down, it's gonna be hard cause. Boy, from the day to me, I know my kind. If I tell Massa, give up our nine, I want to some checker. I enable I.
Joe, I've been a problem since I stepped in. That gotta be a new question, so they locked me in a dungeon. Natural back here, they kept me down. We in the house who are break free. I say this again. Message 3 rappers to my soul, my back. When you start to shit to me, this bound to be separate. Hansi that ass nigga sitting your ass on an industry. Fucking incredible like my saying in my bag. I chop my own city. This is Nando Bahamas, Wagwan. Minaka Suba me bada. Obesha Bakotoko take the pressure for the staff man. Now man, we talking about life. Real or fake man, what is some vibes? Stanna be the name and you know I'm standing. Whoa, hell of a kind, one of a kind. Feeling the vibe, follow the rhyme. Give me the game, I was hot cake. Seize the game and made it my own life pancake. I got trash issues, now my heart cake. Feel like I'm losing my mind, like I got a leak tip. Damn, shout out to the great rappers. I mean the gangsters, I mean the don that is. Fuck all motherfuckers, yeah, all top chatters. I'm gonna tell you that the rapper left behind is now in good hands. Hell can stand up. My younger ones now on the beat, yeah.
Whoa, whoa. Tag your favorite rapper after listening to my flow, he go switch and turn back to singer. I'm a multi-talented rapper and singer. At the same time, I'm a dancer. good drip aside, I got see in me. When I dey sing, it be money matter, believe in me. Look in my eyes, you go see say the way get dream. That be vision, no time for the enemy. Excellent in this game, I'm the president. I address issues like nobody business. So just artist me, I know they fuck up. If you know if you count 1 billion, fuck up. I dey control the youth like Jacob. Man them hot, so your issue no if you cool up. Secret killer in this game, I'm a dealer, no be seller. You feel call me Pablo or Wala Johnson. I no be singer, I be Gina from Ghana, no be China, I be rapper, no be singer. So tired, fuck these niggas, they can control my heat. I'm a rapper with tracks, so they cannot compete. I dey dream about money every day on repeat. So tell your nightmare before I can sleep. I show them say I get the best VIP. What's new in town, Mr. CID? Cause I'm ready for someone to fuck out me. Then I go show them say demon day me. The parade, we in the parade. Sophisticate, I'm about to elevate. With the jubilate, pass with the calculate. You underrate, the style I go relegate. You know say I be winner, so I go nominate. The young boys for men, I go separate. I no go hesitate, never let me penetrate. See how I dominate. Upper West got talent, I be the overlord. Stand on the medra, ya awa party and kasana jato wape. Mbabora balambabora intruder. Better than some boy, ya teratamali, ya jauna yirija, ya to conquer rap, I wanna conquer. Reasoning better, ya na lang rules, so yes, and maintain the peace, ya tell a jaw, fight no longer. But save me easy, get behind my back, send all my enemies back to the sender. I'm the lord of the town, lord of rap, boss of the crown. No be kidding, now we kidding in the game. We stand up on the body, now we jumping at the 10. Rapping for the West Star, forgetting the pain. Fuck up with the West Star, dash him with the I got born out in the game. I got a man on my lane. We rain with the rain, you can call me Lil Wayne. Till I pass out.
Yeah, if the only God knows, you know they wear max. If you be Chris, then it be mask. Say you for go mask. Master of rap, mama me fans. Rappers are nas, rapper bona ban was shaky ma. Kona wanwa okay shikena, shon the fakina. I be wahala pandemic, nigga be COVID the corona. Give me the chance, make a blow. You fancy the dough, Ndana and Suma can do. I show you my talent, you give me your money. Believe me, name your that Sagi can do. Rappers are feeling so sentimental, accidental. Nigga feel so monkey mental, instrumental. Nigga feel my style. Hey, take a note, come copy my style.
I came a long way, 2015 up to this day. Mbumba Mara, I get high flame. Speedy Galijo, I'm always on the highway. Overtaking all the weak rappers. For the game, I'm about to step in the my lane. You know, system on my irate. What is Shiba? I not get time for your child play. Jenny and getting in Paribay. The whole Ghana, man, boy, I can raise the fan base. Vision not be same, keep the distance. Make you never come close with a weak plans. I only shake hands with a few ones. I'm more a computer for what's on the warm up. Kebatama lock, he kill a jail, like he rapper a jonda. Rapping dead near Pacha gang umbulla. I know the competition who go fit to the gangster. Messing with me, you need messing with monster. Waiting near what you go, no be down a pulla. Lyrically, nobody go fi vengeance. Kewabora, you have to check my first step. For this game, it be me where they crown first. So I know they hear introduction to strangers. Struggling in between the rap defenders.
Yo, so many niggas got me talking on that bullshit. You know what is too funny, it's the same old trick. For all this while, you be moving with the boss chick. You be kissing silly mama with some lipstick. Niggas wanna pull up on my judgment, but only God knows my sentiments. I guess you never had a problem with my content, but I got you letting up be dealing with my conscience. With credibility, I had it in my community. Looking for opportunity, pull up on a facility. Fighting your disability, got the responsibility. I'm afraid of fertility, spoil a lot of virginity. Then I pull up on my mind, so many rappers then I make it part-time. Y'all niggas have been sipping palm wine. I know how to do it, but you really hitting on my grind. Take a step, then I climb. Release from my gratitude. I'm on air, so I never wanna break a parachute. From the pretense, I already got your attitude. No time for body shoes. My words are sense, never put them on common use.
Maliki size lace. This is real rap. Kia Kiba when my brother check a nigga up. Tabara Paga, Tora, you my me dad. I'm the best that ever did, a fact, no cap. You already know. I'm the kind of guy that pull up wherever you at. I'm overdose with stars like I to the banks. I get the keys to this game like really best. I'm the be sacked, but I pull up in the boulevard. You can't test me, I'm like Slim Shady. My brand so solid like Mercedes. So I'm bet you won't my end to be the blade. But I can't blame you, man, and so I lazy. You're not my chick, but suck my dick. I guess you dig that I'm the hit that you be searching for your whole life. Wherever there is darkness, I give them more light. And I'm the definition of a king, no lie. I'm the one that make you wanna commit suicide. When they pull up in jeans, I pull his shooter. Tell them I compare never please, put the jokes aside. I'm here to run this, I don't need a cosign. You feeling me now, you're ready to know how I'm running the show. You don't need to know that.